Hi, welcome to Art to Silkscreen. You're watching our demonstration video on our Pro UV Combi unit. So the Combi unit is both an exposed unit and a drying cabinet built in one. You have your drying cabinet here and I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. So firstly you need to plug in your 32 amp socket and then switch on the drying cabinet. So you go from right to left, switch on the fans, the temperature switch, and then press the set button to set your temperature. Today we're going to set ours at 40 degrees. You can go up or lower if desired. And then press the set button again, and then wait for the temperature to regulate itself. Once it's actually reached its desired temperature, you're ready to dry your coated screen. So open the drawer of the cabinet and then place your coated screen inside any one of the 4 drawers. Dry it for about 10 minutes and then it will be ready to expose. Once it's ready to expose, take the screen out of the cabinet, open the lid of the exposure unit, and then placing your screen inside the exposure unit ready to expose your screen. For more information on how to operate the top section, please go to our YouTube tutorial video, step-by-step process of how to expose your image. That will show you how to operate the top section. Just don't forget that the top section is operated separately using a 13 amp plug socket. That's for the exposure unit. And the bottom section is operated using a 32 amp socket. So make sure you have that installed prior to delivery. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.